Every day 10 minutes, English expression listening practice. Every expression read twice. Listen carefully.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good night.
Good night.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you again.
See you again.
How much is it?
How much is it?
It's $10.
It's $10.
Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
Sure, you can pay by credit card.
Sure, you can pay by credit card.
How much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
The fare is $3.
The fare is $3.
The child fare is $1.
The child fare is $1.
How long does it take there?
How long does it take there?
It takes 2 hours by bus.
It takes 2 hours by bus.
It takes 1 hour by train.
It takes 1 hour by train.
But the train fare is expensive.
But the train fare is expensive.
The train is more convenient.
The train is more convenient.
Can you recommend a restaurant?
Can you recommend a restaurant?
What kind of food do you like?
What kind of food do you like?
I like anything.
I like anything.
This is the hardest.
This is the hardest.
What's the delicious in this restaurant?
What's the delicious in this restaurant?
Everything is delicious.
Everything is delicious.
Could you recommend food?
Could you recommend food?
Pasta is the most popular in our store.
Pasta is the most popular in our store.
Vegetable salad is also delicious.
Vegetable salad is also delicious.
I'll have pasta and vegetable salad.
I'll have pasta and vegetable salad.
Would you like to drink wine with?
Would you like to drink wine with?
Please recommend wine.
Please recommend wine.
French wine is popular.
French wine is popular.
Can you call a taxi for me, please?
Can you call a taxi for me, please?
Where is your destination?
Where is your destination?
There's a taxi waiting.
There's a taxi waiting.
How much is the taxi fare?
How much is the taxi fare?
$15.
$15.
I should study English.
I should study English.
Why do you study English suddenly?
Why do you study English suddenly?
I have a promotion test.
I have a promotion test.
I know a good academy.
I know a good academy.
Can you introduce the academy?
Can you introduce the academy?
The academy teacher is famous.
The academy teacher is famous.
I lost money on stocks.
I lost money on stocks.
The stock market is very bad these days.
The stock market is very bad these days.
You have to study hard on stocks.
You have to study hard on stocks.
It's all about the news of stocks.
It's all about the news of stocks.
Everyone's having a hard time.
Everyone's having a hard time.
There will be a good time.
There will be a good time.
When shall we meet?
When shall we meet?
Next Monday is fine.
Next Monday is fine.
Okay, let's meet in front of City Hall.
Okay, let's meet in front of City Hall.
How about meeting at 12 o'clock?
How about meeting at 12 o'clock?
Good. Let's meet for lunch.
Good. Let's meet for lunch.
I'd like to make a reservation.
I'd like to make a reservation.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I'm going to Hawaii.
I'm going to Hawaii.
When are you going to leave?
When are you going to leave?
I want to leave next month for a week.
I want to leave next month for a week.
Would you like me to find something cheap?
Would you like me to find something cheap?
Please make a reservation by direct flight.
Please make a reservation by direct flight.
I will find it and send it to you by email.
I will find it and send it to you by email.
Please tell me your email address.
Please tell me your email address.
Please send it to blc@gmail.com.
Please send it to blc@gmail.com.
I'll check and get back to you by tomorrow.
I'll check and get back to you by tomorrow.
Can I borrow a book about Hawaii?
Can I borrow a book about Hawaii?
Are you going on a trip to Hawaii?
Are you going on a trip to Hawaii?
I'm going on a week trip next month.
I'm going on a week trip next month.
I went there 3 years ago.
I went there 3 years ago.
The travel book is on the A3 block.
The travel book is on the A3 block.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please pay for 3 books.
Please pay for 3 books.
Can I pay by membership point?
Can I pay by membership point?
Let me know your membership number.
Let me know your membership number.
The membership number is 2178.
The membership number is 2178.
Your point is 50,000 point.
Your point is 50,000 point.
30,000 points were used today.
30,000 points were used today.
20,000 points left.
20,000 points left.
Can I pay for the drinks with the point?
Can I pay for the drinks with a point?
Sounds great.
Sounds great.
Please a cup of coffee.
Please a cup of coffee.
Would you like syrup?
Would you like syrup?
No, thanks.
No, thanks.
What size would you like?
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Medium, please.
Please pack a cup of iced coffee.
Please pack a cup of iced coffee.
I don't see any vacancies.
I don't see any vacancies.
There's an empty seat back there.
There's an empty seat back there.
Is the seat next to you empty?
Is the seat next to you empty?
You can use it.
You can use it.
I'm glad there's a vacancy.
I'm glad there's a vacancy.
I can see the performance well.
I can see the performance well.
The actor sings really well.
The actor sings really well.
A main actor is handsome.
A main actor is handsome.
The actress is more popular.
An actress is more popular.
It's because there's a lot of male audience.
It's because there's a lot of male audience.
That makes 2 of us.
That makes 2 of us.
Thank you for inviting me to a show.
Thank you for inviting me to a show.
Thanks more for coming.
Thanks more for coming.